Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Today I am doing another headband half wig. Okay, I have just been on a roll with these headband half wigs. Okay, I'm just bringing them, okay, to show y'all, so so y'all can see which ones you might like to rock. And you all know about this one. This is a oldie but a goodie. This one is Lost Mogan in a 1B33. Alright, so this unit right here already have tons and tons and tons of reviews. Okay, it is a old one, but she is gorgeous. So let's unbox it. Alright, and it is very, very beautiful. I got it again, if I didn't say, in a 1B33. Hold it back some. Okay, here is this beautiful unit. Okay, it has a comb in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. I'll be right back. Okay, I got Lost Mogan on my head and she is super cute. Okay, she's super cute and long. Let's do the 360. Here's the hair to the side. Okay, the back raise up just a little bit. And the other side. All right. This is simply gorgeous. And this wig also comes in a lot of different colors. Okay? A lot of different colors. Very, very beautiful. I am really liking this, and you can do so many styles with this, and it is like a lot of hair. It's very, very, very full. Okay, I'm not getting too much shedding at all with this unit. Okay, but we're gonna see if we can do her in some little styles. Yeah, you can definitely do a little ponytail, like a little up style at the top. Okay. I'll be back and see what I can do with her off camera. But if you want to also like shift that like over like that, I think that is really, really cute. Just like that too. Alright, okay, I'm going to see if I can come back with another style with this one, so stay tuned. Okay, I just went in and put it in a little ponytail at the top and down in the back. Let my seat down some. And that is really, really cute. And you can also put it up in a little messy top knot at the top, and I think that is really, really cute also. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for this review. I really like this unit and I definitely recommend it. It is gorgeous. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.